Hello, this is Michael Jill, and today I'll be doing an unboxing on this Wurkkos TS25. You can buy it here on Amazon, and there are options for the LH351D or the 519A, the newer style emitter. You can also get it on Wurkkos' website. They do have both versions here as well, in 5000K. They also have diffusers here for $1.62 each, which fits the TS25 and the FC11, and many other models. I did notice that the box that I got mine in is different than the standard one that they usually send, but I don't know if they'll always ship like that. So let's take a look at it. We'll do a quick unboxing and then we'll do a little bit of a review. And once you slide this out, there will be a magnetic, latch. And inside you get your instructions. You will get the flashlight. And you will get the cable and lanyard and extra O-rings. And that's what's in the box. Let's take a look at this. And you get a C to type A cable. And in this little Ziploc, you'll get a lanyard and extra O-rings. And this little, getting started guide just tells you to take out the little slip of paper under the battery, and also to tighten it all the way, and also that it should be charged fully before the first use. So let's open it up. Take out the little paper over there. We're going to take out the battery as well, and we're going to take apart this part as well. And here's how it looks all taken apart. So here's the flashlight fully disassembled, and we're going to start with the tail over here. And as you can see, it is magnetic. However, the magnet isn't as strong as some of the other flashlights. For example, the Wurkkos FC11 has a pretty strong magnet. I think it's stronger than that magnet. We're going to test it out when it's fully set up and see how well it holds the flashlight. Also, here is the battery. It's a 5000 milliamp hour battery at 3.6 volts. Now, 5000 milliamps is usually the size of a modern smartphone battery, so that's pretty cool. The size is 21700, which is thicker than the popular 18650 that we see. As you can see, it is a nice amount bigger and thicker. And if you compare it to a AA and AAA, so yeah, compared to those, it is a lot bigger. So it is a bigger flashlight. However, it is more powerful. As you can see, the flashlight over here is only 3000 milliamp hours, so it can hold the charge for longer. And on the cap, you have a little bit of a knurling, to be able to grip it and to unscrew it easily. There's also a little hole right there where you can insert your lanyard. I've just inserted a lanyard. I can tighten it, and it is the same lanyard as the one that comes with the FC11, and it's high quality. It's nice. I would have liked to see something to make it tighter. However, this is perfect for my needs. Let's talk about the body. And on the body, you can see right here there is a two-way clip or reversible clip, and as you can see over here, you can either put it in through this way or this way onto your belt or knapsack, whatever it is. You could also turn the whole thing around, and it will fit in both ways. They are both have the same threading on both ends. Over here is the head of the flashlight. On the bottom we have the circuit board, and it has the exact model number, TS25 A1220822. And over here we have the different markings, warnings, and here it says Wurkkos TS25, and over here is the button. Tiny bit wobbly, but that actually lights up, and we'll show you when we plug it in. And over here you have the charging port, and if you open it, you can see the Type-C charging port. It is waterproof IPX8 rated, so there's that. Then here are the 4 LEDs, and then you have the other 8 LEDs that are for the auxiliary RGB. And now the flashlight is all back together, and let's do the magnet test. Now I'll connect it to this file cabinet. Let's test it out, and as you can see, it is holding very nicely. Now this file cabinet is made out of a more intense metal. Let's see if we connect it to this foot of the table. Let's test it out. And as you can see, it is sticking very nicely. I guess you could say it has an adequate amount of holding power for the magnet. And let's see how the clip clips onto, for example, my EDC bag right here. And there we go, it clips on very nicely. And let's test out the other direction. And it does also clip on very nicely. However, I will note that clipping it on the, I guess you could call it the main way like this, will probably give you a better holding power, as you might be able to get it deeper due to the, longer area versus this, which is a shorter area. You can also turn this whole tube around, in which case this will be facing the other way, so you can decide how you want that set up. I will note that this charging port is has a, I guess, a little notch over there, and most chargers, or a lot of chargers, will not necessarily fit in. This is an anchor cable, and it actually does not fit in. I have another anchor cable that does not fit in as well, but I have some cables that do fit. The cable that came with the device has a nice, I guess, nylon feel to it, rubbery feel maybe. And if we plug it in like this, now plugged in the Type-C cable that came with the device, and it fits in perfectly. So although the anchor chargers or other chargers may not fit because I guess this area is a little bit thicker, the charger that came with it does fit perfectly. When charging, the blue light will be flashing. And when it finishes charging, it should be a solid blue light. Thanks for watching my unboxing, and please watch the review as well.